to my channel. So today's video is a favorites video. Now I don't really do these videos on my channel, like I don't see the point of doing monthly favorites, but let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys would be interested, I will make sure that I do these often. And talking about favorite things wala video, I think my very first video on my channel was my June favorites, and then I never made like July favorites or anything. So that was the video, that is the last time that I filmed my favorite things wala video, and after that today I'm filming it. So after like 3 years, been a long time, but I'm going to be talking to you guys about all the things that I've been loving for the last 4 months. This is more like a quarterly favorites. I hope that you enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's just jump right in. Starting off with skincare, the very first product that I have is by Clinique. Okay, summer's here. Okay, something really exciting happened, but I wouldn't share it right now, but I will definitely probably vlog it. I don't know, I haven't started vlogging yet, but yeah, stay tuned for that. But now let's get back to the video and what I was saying. So starting off with skincare, the very first product that I have is by Clinique. So this is their Moisture Surge. I absolutely love this product, and I totally get the hype and rave behind this product. I've heard such good reviews, so I thought of giving it a try, and when I applied it, I was like, oh, I get it why people are so crazy behind this product. It's so nice. When you apply it, your skin literally drinks it up, and it's like a gel based moisturizer, and it definitely keeps your skin hydrated for a really long time. So yeah, I love this, and it sits really nice under the makeup as well. So that is also something that I really like about this product. I anyway have a dry skin, and when I went to Manali, this was such a savior. I loved using this product. So yeah, definitely, yeah, 100 marks, and love this product. Okay, next up, this is something that I got as a sample product. This is Laneige White Dew Ampule Essence, and this is how the product looks like. It's pretty tiny, but I have loved using this product so much. Honestly, really like Laneige products a lot, and this is so good. Again, something very similar to this, but this is obviously a liquidy, and this is more like an essence. So when you apply it, this also like your skin drinks it up, and I really like it when anything like seeps into my skin, because I feel like it's really doing its job and my skin is getting the goodness. So it's yeah, just psychological something, but I really like that. So yeah, again, love this product. Okay, next up I have one product. This is like crazy, but this is aloe vera gel. There was this one time beach where I was just so fed up and tired of putting so many products on my face, and for a week or 2 weeks straight, this is literally what I was applying every single night. I would wash my face and apply this and go off to bed, and I did wake up with really nice plump looking skin. So yeah, I mean, I really don't understand why do we spend so much of money when I think I got this for like 100 rupees or so. I'm not too sure actually about the pricing, but yeah, and this product is so good, like, you know, it's just wonderful. Like, I love it. Next up, I have a hair care product. Now this is, oh my god, this is the best hair serum that I have used till date. It's L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now I worked with L'Oreal for this campaign, and I had it since then, and I have used quite a bit. This is actually a lot, you know. You may feel like are itna hi use kiya, but that's not, like, you don't need a lot of product, and this is such a good product and such a good hair serum. It definitely tames down your frizz, and definitely takes care of your, you know, dry and dull looking hair. If you are on the lookout for a good hair serum, get this. You wouldn't regret it. It's just amazing, and I love what L'Oreal has done with this product. It's really nice, and I think quite affordable as well, like 600 rupees or so. And as you can see, I've had it since December, and it's like I've just literally used up this much only, even though I've used it for like 4 months or so. So really nice. Okay, next up I have some makeup favorites. As you guys know, I am not really into makeup as much, but still I do have couple of favorites. So the first one is this Nykaa lipstick. It's not a lipstick, I think it's just what is it called, the lip, I can't remember the range name, but this is Nykaa's Bombay. I absolutely love this product. It's a very nice muted lip. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now, but yeah, I'm not wearing it with any other lipstick. Usually I will try different variations, but this has to be always in one of those formulas. Like, I really like this, and it's very lightweight as well. It is not as long lasting, but I really like the color and the payoff as well. If I were in college right now, or even working somewhere, this would have been my go-to lipstick, even though, you know, it still is my go-to lipstick. But yeah, it's a very beautiful and a perfect color to wear on an everyday basis. That's what I feel. Another makeup product that I've been loving, yeah, look at me. So it is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. So this is a mascara, looks very nice, gives your like lashes all the volume that it needs, and it also like separates and lengthens it at the same time, which is something that I love. And I have actually stopped wearing eyeliner, even though I was a crazy fan of wearing eyeliner. Like, I couldn't go even a day without wearing eyeliner, but now look at me, I only will put some color, and then I love doing my lashes. I'm literally in that phase right now, so I love this. It's very nice. It is, however, waterproof, so you know, it takes a little bit of time to like come off, but otherwise it's beautiful. Okay, next up I think that's all that I have with skincare and makeup. Now I want to talk to you guys about just the miscellaneous things. Okay, now for the books that I have been loving, I honestly have been reading the same book for the last 4 months, I know. So I've been reading 5 AM Club. You must have seen this in a lot of my videos, and I'm still, I think, just halfway through. I am actually a very slow reader, but yeah, it has taken me a lot of time to read this book, but I've been loving every single time that I read this book. I feel so calm. It's almost like meditation for me. It really like, I don't know, I feel realigned, and just I feel so focused when I read this book. It's very nice. It's about 5 AM Club and why you should get up early. Last time I was reading this book and someone said, oh, why are you getting up at 8? Why aren't you getting up at 5 AM when you are like reading this book? But I don't think so. I have still reached that part where they explain why you should wake up at 5 AM. Point in the book where they do talk about the benefits, but not like in depth, you know what I'm trying to say. But it's a very nice book, and I love reading this book. So I don't actually mind reading this throughout the year, but no, I actually want to read a lot this year. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure that I read at least 10 pages a day. But that's the book that I've been loving. Another thing that I've been like, oh my god, I love doing this every single night, is journaling. So this is Bright Side Journal. So what I like to do is, before going to bed, I sit down and take 5 minutes and just think about my day, reflect on it, and write down 3 things that I'm grateful for. It has helped me so much. More than writing down things that I'm grateful for, what has really helped me is writing my daily affirmations. Oh my god, it has helped me be so consistent. I can't stress enough on this one. If you're struggling in any area of your life, I would suggest just look up a affirmation that you can really say to yourself. The list just goes on and on. There are just so many affirmations that you'll find online. Affirmations for, you know, feeling confident, being focused, being consistent. Like, there are just so many things, out of which what you need the most, you pick on that, and you can even say that to yourself every single day when you wake up. Look into the mirror and just say that to yourself, but mean it. I'm very sure that that will change your life. That has definitely changed mine. So this is the activity that I've been loving. Next up, this thing, oh my god, my bum vase. I really like this vase. It's very nice, and because of this I've actually gotten into the habit of getting myself flowers. So that is a little expensive actually, but it's nice. It makes me feel really happy and just brings me a lot of joy. Also, it looks beautiful on the table, so what more can I ask for? And yeah, this matches my aesthetic beautifully. So this is also something that I've been loving, and yeah, I really like this. Okay, another thing, it's like a Nutella spread, but not really. I found a healthier version of it. So this is the Butternut Co. Hazelnut Spread Chocolate. So this is how it looks like. It's so good. How I like to eat this is, sometimes I like to put it on my bread. Other times I've actually tried it in coffee as well, and it has tasted really nice. Another way I like to eat this is, I haven't tried the baked oat wala recipe. In that, I'm planning on trying this out. Last up, I had to mention a couple of, you know, fashion favorites that I have. So both of them are pants, so you know, no surprises there. So these are the 2 pants. Oh my god, I love both of them so much. I got them from Zara. This is actually a recent purchase, but I've been loving it. I also really like the color, and please don't mind how wrinkled this is, but yeah, both of these pants are amazing. This is more this one is more structured, and this one is kind of like dad pant. So yeah, I really like them. It just gives me like all badass vibes, like, you know, I'm a boss lady. That's how I feel every time I wear them. So, you know, and yeah, who doesn't want to feel like a boss lady, right? Imagine your clothes can do so much for you. I can't believe like a fashion garment can make you feel so confident, and like, you know, you can conquer the world. That's how I feel in those. So that's great. I can't even tell you the number of questions that I get about this jewelry piece that I'm wearing right now, the neck piece. I actually got it made, and this is made out of gold, and yeah, I designed it myself, and I really like it. I really like how dainty this is. I'll tell you a fun story. Growing up, I never really liked wearing gold jewelry. Like, my mom would always ask me to wear a gold chain or like a gold earring or something like that, and or even the pile, you know, and I always was like, no, I don't want to wear it. And you know, I never really understood the obsession behind gold growing up, okay? And when I got my very first piece made, like this one, I was like, now like it has gotten to a point, like if I were to see a jewelry piece at H&M or Zara, I would be like, oh my god, I really want to save enough so that I can get this made in gold. Yeah, the obsession, I get it now. But yeah, it's really nice, you know. You don't have to worry about it. You can go take a bath, swim, whatever. So that is, I got it. It's very beautiful, and I really love it. Okay, now for my favorite series on Netflix. The series that I'm watching, I actually, when 2021 started, I was watching Schitt's Creek, and it's a beautiful show. I love it so much. But I think I'm on like season 6. When I was in season 6, I just happened to come across the Bold Type. So I watched it. Like, I just watched first episode, and I was hooked on to the show. I completed all the 4 seasons, and I'm waiting for the 5th season to release, which will be the finale. Oh my god, if there's one show that I can recommend you right now, it's The Bold Type. Please go and watch it, especially if you're a girl. Go watch it. Like, it's such a relevant show, man. Like, they talk about so many things. They talk about breast cancer, they talk about, you know, social life, love life, everything. And especially the one character that I love from the show is Jacqueline. Like, that is very true, you know. Like, they even say it in the show. Like, one of the characters like, oh, how I wish I had a Jacqueline in my life. And that's exactly how I felt when I was watching the show. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe, like, I really want a Jacqueline in my life. So it's a beautiful show. Go watch it, you wouldn't regret it. And now for my favorite song, it has to be Lucky Ali's Oh Sanam. I remember around Jan or Feb, he just put out this video where he sung Oh Sanam, and I fell in love. And then since then, I have heard all of his songs, and I've been obsessed with his song. And that's it. Those were all my favorites, like quarterly favorites. Let me know if you guys would be interested in watching more monthly favorite videos. I will try and make them. And that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.